and buy something. But I didn't buy it from Toys R Us.
What is this?
That. So
Milk
first, we're going to dig in. And we have this donut thing. Let's open it.
What is inside?
You take one package, I'll take one package.
Okay. What is this game? What
I
is
don't
this
know.
toy? What is called this one?
I don't
Lollipop?
know.
Lollipop
I
toys?
don't know.
What is this? So sticky.
I got some Oreos.
Ew. This is Orbits. This is Orbits?
No, I got some glitter.
What is this kind of a toys? It's so sticky and
I
sinky
don't know.
balinky.
We're gonna move that away.
It's so disgusting. What is
So
this?
next
I don't
we
like
got
this toys.
This.
What called this toys? Lollipop stinky
I don't
balinky.
know. So now we got this giant lollipop thing. I don't know. Wait.
How
there's-
much did you finish all the money? Where's the scissor? I need scissor. Give me. Give me.
I'm so excited to see what's inside. I hope it counts like a
Why we
fidget.
open it directly? We must take picture first before we do a video, but it's okay. We are excited to open it. Kasi I will put this in my YouTube channel. What is this? Hi guys, look at what is inside. Surprise! Inside the lollipop. So there is 3 plastic inside, and then need to open it. We'll see what is surprise inside. I think this is like, oh,
I got yellow slime.
it's a slime, a dry slime, but it's not the one like sticky slime.
Yeah,
The one
so
I
it's
don't
good.
like it. But this one, it's so nice. This one is like stretch ball. So
I'm just trying one.
it's like cotton candy,
Yeah.
but I like the smell.
Can you help me get it out, Chona?
How you remove it like this? Why me? I remove very easy. Why you stick in plastic? What? Magkano na ubos nito?
240.
Pwede, wow. Ano ba sabi ng nanay niya?
Tawagan daw siya kung ano bibili ng anak niya.
Wala siyang budget kung magkano kailangan ubusin.
Hindi.
Magkano daw kailangan niya ubusin?
Tawagan ko niya. Sabi niya tawagan daw.
Sumagot.
Hindi wala siya. Mamadali
It is so good and stretchy.
Why you spend a lot of money in the Toys R Us for this one only?
So
You get the ball for Teddy.
No. So
Why you
good.
didn't think about Teddy to get ball for him to play?
He already has. I give him.
This one, you know, this one toys,
Yeah.
guys. It's very easy way to dry. After this one day, after this you like to throw your money.
No.
One day enjoy to play this one. After that it will be dry.
So now we're gonna close
There
this.
is one more. There's
Where?
white.
White.
Yeah. You must be hide this one.
Try the
But this
white.
one, the white is big. Oh, but I like the smell of the yellow more.
Me too.
I
This
like the
one
smell of
smells
the
like coconut.
Because it's white. It means coconut. Coconut is white. This one is like
Lemon.
lemon. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix them together.
Tingnan mo naman yung ginawa niyang isa. Stinky balinky. Disgusting.
It's so big when we mix them. Let's put it in the lollipop.
Put it back inside that it will not be dry directly.
Okay.
It's this stretchy banana.
Sige. Naman.
Oh,
Ano bang card dala ng credit card? Visa?
Sige. Sabi ko ka.
American Express? Yes. You need to hide inside. That will not be dry directly.
yes, but I
Because
saw
this
it
one,
on,
if you leave it outside, it will be dry. You cannot play.
but I saw it on TikTok, and on TikTok it says, and if you leave it out, it will never get dried.
No,
but
it's not true.
I will keep it in there because I don't want my dog
It's
to
not
eat
true. You have this before, but 1 day only, it's already dried. Do you
Yeah, because
remember?
this is different.
No, it's the same. They are telling only it's not, it's different, but it's the same. This is the one, it's squishy banana. Oh, this is the one I want before from Moreno. I like this one because if you are stressed, it will move it. It's stress.
And then we got this apple
Banana.
puppet.
Banana. Look at this banana.
This apple
You can
puppet.
press it. You can squeeze it.
This apple
This
puppet.
one, if you are stressed, you can squeeze in.
And I already opened this apple puppet.
I don't know this one kind of a thing. I don't satisfy this one. How do you need it one? You have too much puppet already, then you can.
Yeah. She only grab it, the
You are
toys
not
there.
playing. Where is some of your puppet?
Sira.
We will show here.
And then we got this. It's useful. It's LOL mask. Yeah. So just keep it in the
Alam
side.
ko mag-impake ng
Then I got this mini puppet. A mini puppet. Mini puppet.
This one, guys, you know how to play this one, the puppet? This one, you just put your finger like this. You will play like this. You put your finger like this.
Yeah,
Put
but
your
this one
finger
is
like
many. This one is many. People want this on the go.
All the kids in love to buy this kind of a toy. But I don't, for my age, I don't know. But for them, they are so very happy to
And
have
then we
it.
have this stress ball. So, I will need scissors, but I'll not cut it. I just
Be careful to cut,
want
not
to
to
cut the net.
Yeah. But I like more this, the banana. Because the banana, if you squeeze it, you squeeze and squeeze and squeeze, it's so satisfying. I can feel in my hands. Oh, what happened to the banana now? Because I squish a lot. You can make like this. You can stretch it like this until it's becoming long.
Look at
And
this.
you can do like my name. It's a C.
Can you make a G?
Tuneta Vlogs.
And this is a really good. It's a
And
really
then
good
I will
global.
do a J. I will do a G for Galia. Yes.
Okay.
This is G.
We don't have for
Anymore.
anymore.
But this one is the squish ball. If you squish it, it's the same like in the banana.
Yeah, but
That if you squish it,
what?
yeah, they
But
call
if you
stress ball.
No, it's called a needle.
Needle.
And because stress ball, if you squeeze it doesn't change color. And the needle, when you squeeze it changes color. You see,
Oh.
green, squish it, orange.
Orange. Oh, only two color. Because it's inside, it's orange. So, where is the other puppet that I can show them? What is puppet? This is apple puppet. Where is the small one? This is the heart puppet. Yeah, it's the same. You can play like this, only you put your finger inside, you press it. That's why it's called puppet, because of their sound.
More.
You puppet like this and it's making sound. Where is your puppet, the hard one?
It's not over
With
there.
masa?
No, it's over there.
This one, puppet, it's called puppet because if you make like this, it's making sound. So,
Like pop.
like that.
Pop.
It's making pop. That's why
I
it's
really like
called
the slime.
puppet.
And look what did I do? It did a lollipop nose.
Yes. You pop. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah. She has a lot of this one, but she's not satisfied until she will not get more. So she buy and buy and buy, and she's not playing it all the
I
time.
am.
Are you?
Yeah, but you just don't see me. I'm playing it with Teddy.
Yeah, you're playing with the iPad. You're playing with my phone. There is a real puppet, but you're playing in my phone puppet. So, look. This one, we can do only this one puppet like this. Pop, 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 pop.
I want to add these glitters to the
And
slime.
then pop, pop, pop. But I like more the banana. Banana, banana.
And I like more this.
Squish, squish,
Wanna
squish, squish, squish,
I
squish the
need those
banana.
scissors.
It's
Pop this. And add this to my really big
Pop this.
slime.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop the apple puppet. Look. Pop the apple puppet like this. It's like
And
you are
glitter
playing
into
piano
my
like
slime.
this. Yeah. It's like you're playing piano. Like this, the puppet. Pop the balls. Pop,
So much
pop.
glitter on my
And this
nice,
one to make the
beautiful
sounds.
slime.
This is the
This
puppet
toy.
show and slime.
And I also want to add these.
This is what she got and Toys R Us. She's not Toys R Us for this puppet. So now she got it and she needs to play it like this. Pop. Here like playing piano like this. That's how to play this puppet. You pop by your finger. Look at this satisfying game. The puppet. Puppet. Pop, pop. So, need to pop all this side and go back to the other side and pop again. Only like this how you play this game.
Yeah, but I like slime more.
Yeah, like this. You pop it, pop, 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 pop. Like pop, 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 pop. Pop,
Glitter, 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 glitter.
pop. Pop, pop, pop. Only that one, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. If you want more videos, just click the bell button.
Into
You will be
digital.
notified for our video every day. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.